Hi guys, challenging image captcha in day-to-day life is a very difficult task for us, right? But in this video, I will tell you how you can do this using TalkBack. Sounds interesting, right? So please keep watching this video till the end to understand the complete process. To do this, first you need to turn on a feature of TalkBack. For this, open your TalkBack menu, go to TalkBack settings. In TalkBack settings, you will find an option called automatic image description. Just double tap on that and you need to turn on the automatic image description feature and automatic icon description feature. Both options can be found in TalkBack settings. For the first time, while you are turning on the automatic icon description option, you will ask to download the data. Please download it. After doing this, just open that website where you want to fill out the captcha or solve the captcha. Move your focus on the graphic captcha or captcha image. Now open the TalkBack menu again. At the end, you will find an option called image description feature. Double tap on that and you will get the captcha. Now use that default TalkBack copy feature to copy it and use it as per your requirement. As this is a new feature, so sometimes it may not work. Friends, I'm very sorry I can't make a practical video for this because I have tested in 3 to 4 devices on my own. It did not work. But I have seen some of my friends are using this feature. It is a really good feature, but as it is a new, so I think some issues may occur due to the models and some other technical glitches. So my request is to use this feature and let us know into the comment section whether it works for you or not. Please do not forget to mention your model number into the comment section. I promise you friends, once everything will fine, I'll make another video and show you step-by-step process in practical that how it works. But something is better than nothing. So this is why I've made this video. I hope this video finds you well. If you find this content useful, do not forget to like this video and share this video with others. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos for free. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.